One day you reach up to the sky and touch the stars. Just believe in yourself and in the magic within. Fly, open your eyes and spread your wings. This is your reality. We live in a magical and wonderful world dream. Everyone has a secret dream. One day you wake up and see you become a beautiful and powerful family. Life's a journey, a roller coaster. Keep the faith and fight for what you want. Improve your powers, learn to be stronger. You're not alone. One day you reach up for my hand and I'll be there. Just believe in yourself and in the magic within. This is all about being friends, all for one and one for all. We believe in what we are, we never give up. Smile, you have the power to be free. Use a little fantasy, let your heart bloom like a flower. You will always